Now, First Lady Margaret Kenyatta has emphasized the importance of hand hygiene as an effective way of preventing infections. The First Lady, who spoke during the commemoration of Global Hand Washing Day at the Amref Africa University in Nairobi, said the simple act of frequently washing hands with soap and water can go a long way in curbing spread of the deadly COVID-19 disease that has caused untold suffering in the world.
To promote the theme of the national campaign to boost awareness on hand hygiene, dubbed Umenawa Nimenawa, the First Lady Margaret Kenyatta demonstrated via video link the proper way of washing hands with soap and water.
Hand washing and hygiene have never been more topical or important than in our current situation. Washing our hands with soap and water frequently is something that we have often taken for granted. This simple act may seem obvious, that we sometimes do not see it as a game-changing solution. We often forget that it saves lives.
Delegates converging at Amref Africa University in Nairobi also joined the hand washing challenge under the slogan H for Hand Washing.
This year's theme, Hand Hygiene for All, underscores the global commitment to achieve access for water for all as a basic human right. It reinforces political will and commitment for the provision of water to every Kenyan as part of the government's universal health agenda.
The First Lady encouraged Kenyans to embrace a culture of hand washing to enhance hygiene and sanitation to drastically reduce unnecessary deaths among children under 5 years. Similar sentiments were shared by speakers at the forum who emphasized the importance of hand hygiene in fighting pandemics such as COVID-19.
This day presents an opportunity to design, test, and replicate creative ways to encourage people to wash their hands with soap and water at critical times, as well as to shine a spotlight on the state of hand washing around the world.
Hand washing should become our second nature and should be done frequently, because you never know when you come into contact with germs.
We've seen incidences of diarrhea, neonatal pneumonia or childhood pneumonia, and those things drop drastically. And if we can keep what we have learned from COVID, then hand washing, behavior change for hand washing, will be the silver lining in this pandemic.
Celebrations to mark the day were also held in Mandera County, where public health officials took the opportunity to share with teachers and learners in schools practical lessons on hand washing techniques.
Tumeamua kuchagua wanafunzi kwa vile hawa ndio vizazi ya kesho na wanaweza peleka hii message kwa wazazi yao. After inculcating the culture, the second aim of celebrating siku hii ni to create awareness.
In Kisumu, health professionals called for enhanced hand washing sensitization campaigns, saying disregard of the simple exercise is frustrating the fight against the novel coronavirus in rural areas.
As we take note of COVID-19 and start distributing this, let this reach the far ends of Kisumu County. Let us not concentrate only in the urban areas where we can reach quite easily.
Global Hand Washing Day was established by the Global Hand Washing Partnership to advocate for hand washing with soap as an easy, effective, and frugal way to prevent diseases and save lives. Purity Museo, Channel 1 News.